pin oak, not sure. I'm going to use it for a couple of pieces of old logs on this machine with. Hopefully.
That will be 2 inches and that 2 inches and that 2 inches.
Hang in there again.
That 2 inches and that 2 inches. Because that's all. That's all with it needs.
Guys, bought LX25 Wood-Mizer, good saw, 9.5 horsepower motor, and this is a pin oak, I'm pretty sure, right here that I had laid in the woods for a pretty good while ago. And you see the grain in it, it's really pretty, but I'm using this for just a couple of pieces to put down on the sawmill here to roll the log up on with, a bigger log that my tractor won't pick up. And you see the grain. And it is still wet inside. This is an old piece. Some of the sapwood was rotting on it. We cut that off, most of it. And how do we like the Wood-Mizer? Now I've cut 4 or 5 different types of trees. I've cut some walnut, cut real good. I've cut some, I did cut a piece of oak. I got a video of that, but I ain't messing with the oak anymore because it ain't really that good. It's just hard as a rock. And we've cut some elm with it. It done real good on the elm, and some cherry wood. Guy gave me a piece, cut real pretty wood there. And I may have to go back and adjust the sawmill a little bit and make sure it's set up good, but mainly this one here is going to be 2 beams to be able to roll logs up on. And you can see what we got. This log was 18 inches in diameter. That's 10 by 10. So, but we had to take some off because of the dead stuff here. That might be a little dead right there. That's pretty hard, but that's some of the rest of it's cut pretty good. So, and that is pin oak, water oak, or whatever you want to call it, as far as I know. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Hey, some of you out there that knows, look at the grain. I'm pretty sure that's oak. It smells like oak, but I think it's pin oak, water oak, with little long skinny leaves on it. Just let us know, if you will, on this video if that's what it is. Some of you guys know more. I put this one out here and wasn't sure what it was. I know where my pine and stuff is. I thought I grabbed a piece of pine, but I didn't. Guys, we're using this board here. It's beautiful wood. I mean, you know, if it's a pin oak, I think it is, but we're going to use it to put over here on this side so we can roll our big logs up that I can't pick up with that tractor. I can pick them up at the back end and roll it. Stand up with me a little bit. I need more weight on the back end, but we're going to lay them here, just a couple of them. That's 3 5/8 wide, and it's solid. And we got a piece over here also that was, this one here was 3 1/4, or 3 1/8 after we cut it. We cut it 3 1/4, it was 3 1/8, so that blade cuts 1/8 of an inch wide. But these are 3 5/8 because I've already measured them. And it's some pretty wood smells. It smells like red oak. I guess pin oak and red oak and all of that stuff, pretty much the same. But so we're going to use these. I'll show you where we're going with it. Let me see if I can get this thing slid. Hang on to what I got here. Let me move this in here out of the way. Oh, by the way, pick up with your back. No, you don't do that. You pick up with your legs here. You get messed up picking up with your back. So we're getting there. The sawmill really cuts good. The reason we can't put it up here is because of that black piece there that rolls up through here. I ain't hardly got nothing left, so I wouldn't even be able to use it up on here. But this is the way we're going to use it right here, so it's going to be on something like that. I'll probably get another cement block. That ain't up against there or nothing, but that's the way we're going to do it. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Beautiful day outside. Hope you have a blessed day.